I'm here to demonstrate the cash depository function of our new ATM. First, you simply slide in your card, put in your PIN, then in this case we want to choose deposit, cash deposit, and select account. I'll choose checking, and I do want a receipt for this transaction. Make sure our bills are relatively smooth and continue. We simply insert them into this bottom left compartment, and the ATM, as it deposits, will verify and count the cash for us. Shows two $20 bills for a total amount of $40 that has been inserted. I want to continue. And now a receipt will print.
Click on the play button to view a customer depositing money through mobile banking.
Yes, I do. Can you give me your phone number? Your phone number, please? Yeah, 0722 341134. Correct.
Introduction. For trade to take place, a medium of exchange is required. The universally accepted is money. Banking provides safekeeping for this money as well as other financial services that promotes trade. Meaning and limitations of barter trade. Barter trade is the exchange of goods and services for other goods and services. Limitations of barter trade. Lack of double coincidence of wants, lack of store of value, indivisibility of certain commodities, lack of standard measures of value, and difficulty in transporting bulky goods. Meaning and characteristics of money. Money is anything generally acceptable as a medium of exchange. Characteristics of money. General acceptability. Must be acceptable to buyers and sellers. Scarcity. Should be limited in supply to maintain its value. Durability. Should not wear and tear easily. Divisibility. Should be divided into small denominations or units for easy exchange. Portability. Should be light to carry. Functions of money. Money is a medium of exchange. Store of value. Goods that cannot be kept for a long time are sold and money is kept. Measure of value. The value of goods and services is expressed in terms of money. Standard of deferred payment. It measures value of goods bought or sold on credit. Unit of account. It is a unit by which goods and services are valued. Demand for and supply of money. Demand for money. This is the presence of people to holding money in cash form for various purposes. Purposes of holding money. Transaction motive. Used for meeting daily expenses. Precautionary motive. Used to take care of emergencies. Speculative motive. Keeping money with the hope of using it to make more money in future. For example, keeping money to buy more shares when their prices fall. Meaning of banking. This is a business activity of accepting, safeguarding, and advancing credit facilities. A bank is a financial institution that accepts deposit from general public and advancing credit facilities to customers. Meaning of banking. This is a business activity of development of banking. Banking developed at the time when precious metals were in use as a medium of exchange. Banking developed at the time when precious metals were in use.
Meaning of a commercial bank. It is a financial institution that accepts deposits and provides credit facilities with aim of making profit. Functions of commercial banks. Accept deposit. They keep the money safely and avails it on demand by depositors. Money transfer. Provide means of transfer of money such as banker's draft, standing orders, and credit transfer. Lending money. They offer loans to customers who repay back with interest. Safe custody. They keep valuable items safely for a small fee. Foreign exchange services. They buy and sell foreign exchange currencies.
Automated teller machine. Savings accounts. This is an account where people save money for future use. Features of savings account. They may earn interest. Initial deposit may be required to open the account. Automated teller machine cards are used when withdrawing. Money can be deposited at any time in any form, for example, cash, checks, bank drafts, money orders, among others. Account holders use debit cards to withdraw money. Automatic teller machine (ATM) may be used when withdrawing or depositing money. Current account. This is an account that uses checks for withdrawals. Features of current accounts. Money deposited earns no interest. Offers bank overdraft facility. There is use of checkbooks. There are charges for use of checks, and any amount of money can be withdrawn without notice. Fixed deposit account. This is an account that is operated for a specified period of time. They are mostly operated by people who have no immediate use for money. Features of fixed deposits account. Interest rate is fixed. The period of operating the account is fixed. The amount deposited cannot vary over the terms of the account, and interest paid is higher than in savings. Savings accounts. This is an account where people save money for future use. Meaning of non-financial institution. Non-bank financial institutions are specialized in offering medium and long-term finances to specific sectors. For example, Agriculture Finance Corporation, Industrial and Commercial Development Corporation. Functions of non-bank financial institutions. Accepting deposits, lending loans, providing investment advice, and provision of specialized financial services. Distinction between commercial banks and non-bank financial institutions. Commercial banks operate under the Banking Act. Non-bank financial institutions operate under different acts of Parliament. Commercial banks offer safety locker facilities. Non-bank financial institutions do not offer safety locker facilities. Commercial banks deal with foreign exchange. Non-bank financial institutions do not deal with foreign exchange. Commercial banks are members of clearinghouse. Non-bank financial institutions are not members of clearinghouse. Commercial banks offer agent banking. Non-bank financial institutions do not offer agent banking. Meaning of central bank. It is a government-owned financial institution responsible for monetary policies in order to stabilize the economy. Functions of central bank. Issue and control of currency. It is a banker to the government, banker to all commercial banks, advisor to the government, lender of last resort, managing public debt, managing foreign exchange, and control credit creation. Trends in banking. This refers to new developments in banking sector. They include e-banking, computerized services that allows a bank's customer to get online with the bank via telephone lines to view the status of their account and transaction history. This allows them to transfer funds, pay bills, and request checkbooks. Credit cards. This is a facility which enables the holder to borrow money and obtain goods and services. Packaging banking. This is where banks strive to offer more value-added services to their customers without necessarily asking for payment. For example, life assurance covers. Automated teller machine, ATM. It enables a customer to access services such as withdrawals, deposit, money transfer, and pay bills, among others. Creation of new products, mobile banking, among others. Agency banking. This is a process by which commercial banks allow other business to provide financial services on their behalf.